It's fine. Gotta let it drop. Yeah. There we go right now. So we switch up the beat about my feet. No more cleats, no more beat. Brand new beat on the track. Let me see how fat I'm stacked. I got more money in my pocket than a nun. Because I got none. I spent it on some cheap fries with that whiz and pepper and onion. Yeah, now look at that, like a bunion. Bacon in the sweet hot heat. Bro, that heat will cook you like some meat on the fucking hood of your car. I'm boiling eggs real hard. Yeah, I wanna eat that with some salt and pepper. Now I know that I am better than this nigga sitting to my right. Look at that bitch in a blue van, like a dyke haircut with her own hands. I think you should get her a new buzzer that's just scratched up. I wanna talk to your mother. She probably beat you a lot, made you think that you had a cot. But now more crazy raps. I wanna smoke my pot and eat these in my lap.
Yo, rap about that guy riding his bike with the Bud Light case.
Huh.
You see that?
Yeah. Yeah. We are leaving a construction zone. Man, fuck that pussy and make that bitch moan. You know you like to bone like you're king of the throne. Yeah. Conehead is my favorite movie. They look like aliens with some boobies on their head. I get myself fed on this protein-packed cheese fries. Gotta go to Shell and get some gas. At the gas station, you can lift my ass. Cheese fries, cheese fries, cheese fries, cheese fries.
The cheese fry rap.
Alright, this song's great.